Kapansin-pansin ho dito sa parang logo po yata ninyo. Ito pong nasa gitna. Ito po ba yung tetragrammaton, yung ineffable name of God?
Oo, yung YHWH. Which was the letters written by Moses on the 2 tablets of stones.
Sa Torah ho.
Yan
sa
ang
Torah.
original na pangalan ng Diyos sa Hebreo. Yod, He, Vav, He.
Bauhe.
YHWH.
Yung sa Torah, ano po?
Ha?
Yung pong nando sa Torah.
Oo.
Yung tama.
At nasa mga matatandang manuscripts, ano? Kagaya halimbawa nung Dead Sea Scrolls, which was found in 1947, and it dates back to 2nd century BC, yung Dead Sea Scrolls na yon, no? Other parts of it dates back to the 1st century, mga 2 AD. Kaya compilation yun ng Old at some parts of the New Testament. Ang nakasulat doon sa pangalan ng Diyos sa Book of Isaiah is YHWH. And that is written in a manuscript that was written 2,000 years ago, before the advent of the word Jehovah, which only was known in the 14th century AD. Meaning, the word Jehovah appeared 1,400 years after the reign of the apostles. Kaya hindi totoo yung Jehovah ang pangalan ng Diyos.
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat din po.